In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bullets in Google Docs. Bullet points are incredibly useful for organizing information efficiently, ensuring your document is both readable and visually appealing. Whether you're drafting a report, jotting down meeting notes, or simply organizing your thoughts, mastering bullets in Google Docs can enhance the presentation and clarity of your work. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily use this feature in just a few steps. To get started, open your favorite browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you prefer. In the search bar, type Google Docs and hit Enter. Once you see the search results, look for the official Google Docs link and click on it. If you're a frequent user, you might already have it bookmarked for quick access. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll need to log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Enter your credentials, and you'll find yourself on the main page of Google Docs. Here, you can either choose an existing document or start with a brand new one. If you go with an existing document, click to open it. If you're starting fresh, click on the plus sign, usually labeled as blank, to begin a new document. Now, let's get to the heart of adding bullet points. Take a look at the toolbar at the top of your document. You'll notice an icon that looks like 3 dots followed by lines. That's your bulleted list icon. By clicking on this icon, you'll activate the bullet point feature. Alternatively, for those who love keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+Shift+8 if you're on a Windows machine, or CMD+Shift+8 if you're using a Mac. This is a handy way to keep your workflow smooth without needing to navigate through the toolbar. After you've activated the bulleted list, you can start typing out your first point. Once finished, press Enter, and Google Docs will automatically create the next bullet point for you. This keeps your list seamless without any extra steps needed on your part. Continue entering your bullet points, hitting Enter after each one to add more items to your list. If you want to finish your list and return to normal text, all you need to do is press Enter twice. This action signals to Google Docs that you're done with the bulleted list, and your cursor will return to the default formatting, ready for you to continue typing regular text. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use bullet points in Google Docs. This simple yet powerful feature can greatly enhance the organization of your documents. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy writing!